Morning. Today is CNC day, so we get our Shop Saver CNC delivered. There she is, and we're gonna get it offloaded and put right there. What does it do? What can't it do? It will make covers, cut solid surface material for new designs and prototypes of fire tables. So wood, aluminum, manufactured stone, style stone, hard surface materials. It's kind of a whole new chapter in what we're going to be able to manufacture.
Just sitting here waiting for our new CNC table. Got all hands on deck to just stand here for a second, wait, and then we'll be off to running.
That was a little stressful. Pucker factor 1 billion. The first thing I'm gonna do with it is plane down a spoil board, which is pretty much taking 40 thousandths of an inch off of an entire sheet of MDF. Vacuum table here, it actually pulls air through the MDF board and holds anything we want to the table. As this cutter head is coming down and cutting out whatever shapes we want, nothing will move on the table. Probably one of the first covers I'll cut on it is just a 36-inch round cover, but we do have an order for a 60-inch two-piece cover. This can cut the aluminum plate on one side and the wood cover on the other side. So what it does is this cutter head will come over to this tool selection, so there'll be tools in each one of these tool selectors. The cutter head will come over, pick up a tool, come over, cut with it, come back, and put it back when it's done. There's just so much to unpack with this machine, so very exciting.